In 2 minutes, I am going to show you how to transform the Statue of Liberty into gold. In no time, let's get started. Click Ctrl+G to duplicate the layer. Use any selection tool of your choice to select the subject. I will be using the Quick Selection tool. Take your time to select the subject. After you are done, click Ctrl+J to copy the subject onto a new layer. Then right-click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Then go to Filter, Blur, then Surface Blur. Make the radius as 25 pixels. Then the threshold as 10 pixels, then click on OK. Go to Image, Adjustments, then Shadows Highlights. Make the shadow to be 100%, then click on OK. Click on the design icon and select Color Balance. Make cyan red as +30, then blue-yellow as -84. Then select Shadows. Make cyan red as +21, then blue-yellow as -52, then select Highlights. Make cyan red as +36, then blue-yellow as -21. Click on the clipping mask icon. Click on the design icon, select Curves from the options. Drag the line to make a trough just like the one on the screen. That is all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week.